Hey everyone! Let's learn how to make a personality quiz using Google Forms. In this video, you'll learn how to start a new form, set up your quiz, create sections for different personalities, and assign sections to answers. And I'll even throw in a helpful surprise towards the end to make your quizzes stand out from the rest. To start, go to forms.google.com, or you can go to forms.new in your web browser and click enter. Now to start setting up your quiz, name your quiz by clicking on the untitled form at the top left and entering your desired name. You can also add a brief description of your quiz under the title if you want as well. Alright, this is mine that I just added. Now let's start adding the questions. Type your question in the untitled question box. For me, I'm gonna put "which one are you?" For your questions, you can choose between multiple choice or drop down. Mine will be multiple choice. For option 1, I'm going to put night owl. And option 2 will be early riser. Now to add a question, we're going to click on the plus button on the right side. For question 2, I'm going to put pick a color. Option 1 will be pink, and option 2 will be blue. Now we're going to create sections for different personalities. Click on the 2 squares on the right side of the screen to create a new section. This first section title will be Nurturer, and I'm going to add my description as well. And now to add a new personality, I'm going to open a new section by clicking on the 2 squares again. This new section will be for Adventurer, and I'll add my description. Now we're going to move to a very important part. We're going to assign the sections to answers. So to do that, we're going to go back to the questions and click on the 3 dots in the right bottom corner of each question to see more options. And now we're going to click where it says go to section based on answer. And here is where you can assign each answer to go to a different section by clicking on the box that says continue to next section and choosing the correct answer. For night owl, it will be adventurer. And early riser is going to be nurturer. And for question 2, we're going to do the same steps. Pink will be nurturer, and blue will be adventurer. And now we're almost to the end. You can preview what your quiz will look like to others by clicking on the eye icon on the top toolbar. This is what your personality quiz will look like to others. Now, remember that surprise I referenced earlier? If you want to give your quiz a little personality, you can use the app BeeForm to add themes to your quizzes. We're going to go ahead and close this preview out. To install BeeForm, click on the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, click Get Add-ons, search BeeForm, then click Install, and it's going to take you through the installation steps, and you're going to also accept some permissions. Now, I already have it installed, but once you're done, you're going to close out of this, and we're going to click on the puzzle piece on the top menu bar, enable BeeForm, and now we're going to open the app. Now once BeeForm is open, you're going to want to complete the tour and then publish your form as well. With BeeForm, you can browse through different types of themes, you can limit how many people you want to respond, and make any final edits to your form. And once you're finished designing, go ahead and save all your work. And now, to share your form and have others view it this way, you're going to want to get your personalized link from BeeForm. We're going to click on the Get Link symbol on the top toolbar. We're going to copy your personalized BeeForm link. And now we're going to paste this link in a new browser. Now, whoever you share your personalized link with, this is how they will view your form. Whether that's through messages or on your website, this is how others will view it on their end. And just like that, you finished your personality form using BeeForm.